This is the Cabin Max suitcase that I picked up from the Amazon team. And full disclosure, I bought it about 3 or 4 years ago. This guy has been with me to Egypt, Turkey, Greece, Spain, and up north as well. That's how far it's been. This has been an absolute cracker of a suitcase. You guys know it's no secret that sometimes cases really get thrown around at airports. This guy is absolutely super duper. It's done a really good job. The wheels still work after all this time. The zip's still perfect. It glides really well. It's got a really great little handle you can just pull and it just retracts slightly so it's nice and snug and doesn't dig into you. It glides really nicely when it's full at an angle. You know, when you put it along the airport on the travelator thing, does a really good job of that as well. Yeah, it is absolutely fab. It's got a really nice hard shell. It's not heavy look. It's really lightweight, which is perfect, particularly if you're bringing home some duty frees. Let's take a close look. It's got this nice Cabin Max luggage on there. Of course, you add your own straps and stickers so you can see it at the airport. I think it also comes in a ton of other colours as well. I think it comes like in a mint, a black, maybe even a pink, I can't remember. These are the wheels. As I say, these have been on many travelators, banged up the stairs, on and off planes, trains and automobiles. Absolutely fine there, not a problem. The zip is the double-sided one, so you can get right round and open it completely up if you need to. You've got that nice strap there, which is that soft sort of rubbery plastic, so it's got a nice feel when you're pulling it up and out of your hand luggage and all those things. And you've got that release button here on the glider for the when you're pulling it through the airport running really fast because you've been into the Weatherspoons and nearly missed your plane. Got the release button there, and this pulls right up for walking along and also slipping over your hand luggage bag. It slips on really nicely as well. There's the back there. Let's open it up and show you what the inside looks like. Here we go. So you've got your traditional double-sided thing here. You've got your straps to hold in everything that you don't want falling all around with the little toggle there. No problems with that at all. So when you're maybe putting in all your outfits, squeezing them in as much as you can, particularly if you're taking this as your hand luggage, you can get absolutely loads in there. It's really nice and compact. And on the other side, you've got your sort of strappy, you've got your divider, which has got your mesh on there. Perfect for things like shoes and toiletries. That's what I use it for anyway. And that does zip up really nicely. I think this is also good if you're like your last day at the airport situation when you want to just have bits right on top. You can just zip in and zip out and put onto the plane. And then you've got your other, just your very plain capacity there. Again, you've got that liner as well. Yeah, absolutely fab. It comes in other sizes, other colours and all that jazz. I recommend it. It's been all over the place. I mean, it's going to be with me for a good few more years yet. I've had no issues with it at all. And other than I need to put some stickers on it, I need to put a strap on it. But yeah, absolutely fabulous.